7 things you should never do in an automatic car. Automatic cars are more convenient than manual cars because they don't have a clutch pedal. However, that doesn't mean you can do anything you want in an automatic car. In this video, we'll show you 7 things you should never do in an automatic car. Keep watching to find out what they are. Before we get into the list, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, make sure you stick around until the end of the video so you don't miss the bonus tip we have for you at the end. And now let's get started. Don't ride the brake. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as a new driver is riding the brake. Riding the brake means keeping your foot on the brake while driving. This can cause the brake to wear down faster and lead to brake failure. It also makes it harder to control the car and can be dangerous. If you need to stop, press the brake firmly and take your foot off the gas. When you're stopped, keep your foot off both pedals until you're ready to go again. Then slowly release the brake and press the gas pedal gently. Number 2, don't drive with your foot. The same goes for driving with your foot. This can cause the tires to skid and lose traction. If you need to slow down or stop, press the brake firmly and take your foot off the gas. When you're stopped, keep your foot off both pedals until you're ready to go again. Then slowly release the brake and press the gas pedal gently. 3, don't turn the engine off while driving. This can cause the car to lose power and can be dangerous. If you need to stop, put the car in park or neutral and then turn off the engine. If you're in a situation where you need to restart the car quickly, such as if you're on a hill, make sure to put the car in park first before turning off the engine. Number 4, don't shift to neutral while driving. Shifting to neutral while driving can cause the car to lose power and can be dangerous. If you need to coast, keep the car in gear and lift your foot off the gas pedal. If you're on a hill, make sure to use the parking brake to keep the car from rolling. Number 5, don't leave the car running while unattended. This is not only wasteful, but it can also be dangerous. If someone else gets in the car and starts driving it without you in there, you could get hurt. Always put the car in park and turn off the engine when you're not in it. Number 6, don't ignore warning lights. Warning lights are there to let you know when something is wrong with the car. If you ignore them, it could cause serious damage to the car and even be dangerous. If the check engine light comes on, take the car to a mechanic to get it checked out. Other warning lights may be less urgent, but it's still important to get them checked out as soon as possible. Number 7, don't overdrive. Overdriving means driving at a speed that is too high for the engine. This can cause the engine to work harder than it needs to, which can decrease fuel economy and cause damage to the engine. To avoid overdrive, don't go over 60 miles per hour. And now for the bonus tip we promised, which is don't burn rubber. This is especially important if you're in an older car. Burning rubber can cause the tires to lose traction and can lead to an accident. It can also cause the tires to wear down faster. So if you want to keep your tires for as long as possible, avoid burning rubber. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any tips of your own, be sure to share them with us in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.